Hey everyone, I welcome you all to the Layer5 websites meeting. And today is the 9th March and we are live. So, apologies for the inconvenience of the calendar issues. You got an invite of calendar 1 hour before, but we'll be fixing that. But talking about the Layer 5 websites meeting, so we conduct this call every week on Mondays at this time. And here we talk about different front-end related issues of different repositories that we have. For example, the Layer 5 websites or the documentation for Meshri. So if you have any PR to review, you can add the thing in the agenda items in respective of the topic. And the topic could not necessarily be a PR review, it can be any question. So before moving on, I'll be sharing this document in the chat. Please mark your attendance over here. I request everyone to turn on their webcams so that we can have an interactive conversation. And talking about Mystery, so it's the sixth highest velocity project in CNCF and it's in sandbox stage. And so many things happen over here. Code moves around very fast and it's a good opportunity to contribute in this project and really excited to be here. So today I am joined with Asta, Kishore, Yash. So yeah, Yash, would you like to go ahead and introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure, Ronald. Thanks. First of all, apologize as I can't turn on my webcam. I'm facing some issues. So, hello everyone. I'm Yash Mahakal. Currently, I'm finally a computer engineering student from Pune, India. And yeah, that's all about me. Thanks, Ronald.
Yeah, thanks, Yash. So if we have any newcomers on the call, feel free to drop your introductions either on the chat or you can unmute and give your introduction. Ahmed Samedia, I believe I pronounced your name right. I think you joined for the first time.
Yeah, my name is Ahmed Samaila from Lagos, Nigeria.
Oh,
So
Nigeria.
I'm glad
Yeah,
to be here.
yeah. Thanks, man. Um, Tanmais, Ragul Balaji.
Hello, I am audible.
Yes, Ragul, yeah.
Yeah, I'm a beginner programmer passionate about learning and sharing knowledge about JavaScript and cybersecurity. And I am enjoying building projects, exploring open source, and improving my technical skills every day. Thank you about that is about me.
Yeah, thanks, man. All right. If we have any more introductions, feel free to introduce yourself in the Zoom chat and we can move on to the agenda items. So first up is Yash Vardhan. Are you here on the call, Yash? Think no. All right, we can circle back to him later. Ashwini is also not on the call yet. I believe he's joining a bit late. So Daniel,
Yes, I think I can share my screen.
yeah, sure.
Yeah, so I've been working on this one, on this functionality. As you can see on this menu, on tablet as on phone, it has like a small wheel. And when you click, it's kind of expand and you cannot like navigate. So if you wanna click here, it's gonna expand and you cannot navigate. So and this is the issue. And when you close, then you have to close this one, and you can see how the width shifts be again a little bit smaller. Yeah, so here's the preview. Let me show you. Yeah. So here you can see, at least now you can navigate. And when you open another one, it's gonna close automatically the first one. So you can still navigate and the width remain the same. So it's not yeah, the width just remain the same, and then you can navigate. So this is all about the this PR. Yeah, and this is the code, the change which I made. And about this one, I found out that there is a if statement. There were an if statement, and all the code inside the if and the else was the same. So I was like, oh, okay, it doesn't make sense to have the if statement about testing if the production is the environment is set to production or not. So I commented that out. And yeah, so just making small changes. Yeah, I think this is all about this PR.
Could you, Daniel, go over the if part again? I wasn't able to hear that properly.
I go back to the if statement.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So the if statement was checking the environment, and it could
Mhm.
display the link for this style. And when I was trying to see the link inside the if and the link inside the else was
Okay.
pointing to the
Yeah.
same file. So I was like, oh, this doesn't make sense.
Okay. Yeah, it must be something an error when merging PRs, but yeah, that makes sense.
Yes.
Could you also drop over the link of the pull request in the chat, because there's some issue in the meeting minutes. I believe
Okay.
Bhumika would be fixing that after this meet.
Okay, let me do so. Yeah, ready.
Daniel, I have a review for it. When you are showing your preview for the tab, right? You are showing for a tab, or it's for desktop.
It was for desktop, it was for tablet or and phone.
For a tablet, I think having a full 100% width is not required. If we um, did you see in the desktop that we are not using that 100%? That's drop down width. Let me show you.
Oh, okay.
You was doing this, I guess, right? It
I
is
know I
not,
was doing the entire menu. When you go to tablet, you can go to responsiveness and then try to see how it is showing on tablet.
but in tablet, what you added is when we drop down, it's get a full 100% width, I guess. You was showing
Uh,
preview.
Well, can you go to tablet view so that you can see the change? Yeah, tablet. Years.
So
Yeah. So
yeah, so I was telling like you was doing this. Yeah, it's somewhat is looking bad, but you are doing like if we have this much width for it, like we don't want like it should cover all over this.
okay.
It will be like more look good if we hide everything behind that. It will not look more. I feel like for the user. So please try to change like make a width this much only.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And I was trying to mimic the functionality, the design on Layer 5. If you can go to Layer 5 website, you're gonna see how it shows on tablet. So I was trying to make it like similar to the one on Layer 5.
Okay, so and then layer 5 we have a full width. If
Years.
okay, could you show that as well, Daniel?
In layer 5, we have full width because we have a animations there. In the desktop, you can see that there's a animations. So right part will be animation, I guess. So that's why we are containing that's a full width.
Yeah, makes sense.
Daniel, unmute yourself.
Oh, sorry. I was talking while I was mute. I was muted. Yeah. So this is the design which I was following on Layer 5. As you can see, the width. So just trying to mimic this functionality. But I can also adjust.
Mm.
Yeah.
Could you touch more upon the point, Bhumika, about the animation thing? Is that the canvas animation that's coming over here?
Uh, yeah. Click like click hover on the community or integration.
I think you can share a
Yeah.
screen.
Yeah, you are right on the.
Okay.
Yeah, there is a on the right side there is an animation like a photos and this one. So I think for a tablet, this is for a right side, it will contain this. That's right path of the images. That's why we are leaving the spaces for that. And in
Oh,
Mishri, we didn't have any images,
Mm.
so it should be a minimal for the Mishri.io.
yeah. I will change that.
Yeah, yeah, makes sense to me as well. Since we don't have the images and it looks more clean when we have not covered the whole screen. So yeah,
Yeah,
I agree
sure.
with the Bhumika's point.
Yeah.
Is there anything else, Daniel?
I know that's all for me.
All right, thanks, Bhumika and Daniel. So next up, we have Sahil. Would you like to share about yours? Oh, wait. Next up, we have
Yeah, I'll just go.
yeah.
Yeah, so it was a small change. I'm coming. I'm just share my screen. So it was a small change, right? I realized that when I went to Measure, right, when I click on this, the tooltip is kind of misleading. So I just updated it. That was it. Just a small change. Yeah.
Yeah, I've reviewed that PR. I think it's already good to go. And these small PRs are really beneficial and yeah. So I
Yeah.
just approved it.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you have anything else, sir?
No, I'm still checking it out. So I have other
Okay,
updates. Yeah.
cool. Thanks. Next up now we have Sahil. You can unmute and share about your PR. And yes,
Okay.
Ajit, you can ask question if you are having it.
Okay. Hello, today I have the two pairs to be discussed. First one is this, we are migrating our contribution documents to the Hugo. So
Mhm.
I have raised some pairs. I made some changes as well. So so Gemini suggested some changes, that is to make this
Sorry to
in
interrupt,
H
Sahil. Could you please
capital.
share your screen as well? You haven't shared.
Oh, sorry. Now is it visible?
Yes,
Hello.
it is.
Okay. So this was here. Basically, when I raised the PR, some of the changes that Gemini suggested me, I did that. But later on, you told me to change that, rename that docs new to the docs only, because I think
Mhm.
you will, after migrating, you will delete that docs file.
Yeah,
That's why, okay, that I
exactly.
will do after this meeting ends.
Mhm.
That's it for my side for this PR. Any more suggestions that you have?
So since we'll be consolidating the folder, you already know that we need to change the docs, new to docs. And there is this design document specification. If you go to the preview of this, yeah, in the top level section, we have an alert over here where we list the design specification for the machinery documentation. Just scroll at the top. Yeah, go above.
Yeah, this one you're talking about.
Yeah, the
Design
machinery
specs.
document design specification. So this document lists some of the, if you click on it, and if you visit the document, so we have some of the specification which we followed in Jekyll. So I think we should have added a migration plan document as well here in this alert to redirect people that, okay, we were previously using the documentation that was based out of Jekyll and then we migrated to Hugo. Or if not, then we can either update this thing or we can completely just get rid of it as well. But we need something as a document to have this. So I
So,
believe we could add the migration plan over here.
so you are telling to edit this doc also?
Kinda just made an AI that can watch your screen and clone what it sees.
Hello.
Yeah. Just go through this documentation. What are all the changes that we have? If it's like just these changes about framework and theme, if you're adding the migration plan, then it doesn't make any sense to update this thing.
Okay.
So
If any,
if you, yeah, if we are
any
editing this, then if you completely edit this thing, then this doesn't make any sense to add the migration plan. But if you're adding the migration plan, I believe for now, for the ease of changes, you can just add the migration plan and later on we can switch on updating this as well.
okay. Other than this, anything?
Um, I think that the PR list is good to go. One thing is about we need to add a mystery CLI documentation as well, a specific section for it as well in this documentation. I think that would be I'll be doing that because since I was updating the commands. So after merging this PR, and there's the you need to also check the path of each of the collections that has been updated. For example, this models custom info. So this thing lives in docs new and under data. So but docs new will be renamed to docs. So you need to mention the path over here as docs slash data slash the name of the collection. So make sure that you double check all the name of the collection, it resides in the correct places. And
Okay, I will do
yeah,
that one.
yeah, and
Oh,
rest I think it looks good to me.
okay. Shall I move to the next peer?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. This was my next peer, which I also presented in the previous meeting. But at that time, it was not working in the dark mode. I fixed that one. So as you can see, the extension tab in the light mode is
Mm.
working perfectly. Even in the dark modes, it's working.
Yeah, if I recall the conversation, it was something about adding a dynamic change over, right?
Yeah, as some Gemini suggested, you add the common things in the common.sccs file also that I
Mhm.
asked, but no one replies on that. I was not adding that because it's not using on the multiple pages, so it's bad. It's only used for that single pages. That's why I not moved that CSS to common.scss file if it is
Okay,
being used to.
so are we using the hard-coded variable for this thing or
No, all the variables. See, I've changed the hard coded that colors to that
okay.
variables only.
Yeah,
Just
if it's not using any hard-coded variable or styling it, it looks good to me.
only at this
Yeah,
places it was telling to just move it to the catalog.sccs. But I don't think it is used for more than one places. Means other than extension pages, no other pages is using this thing. That's why I left it here only. If you will tell, I will move it to the
uh,
catalog.scss.
you don't think or you are sure of this? If not, you
Oh,
can
I have
just double check.
okay. But one thing, other than this, there is also the issue in this design tab. Same issue is there. Here we have the common.scss. So rather than making changes in each of the pages, we can have there in the common file only that CSS property so that it can be applied to these whole three pages. But in these cases, extensions, I don't think so. It's common should be given in the common pages. I should add.
Okay, that's do we have any comments for Sahil
Yeah, I
on
have.
this? Yeah.
Sahil, I review your PR. I stopped my review when I saw that you have done coded in a wrong file. I checked this code. The code is so easy to get. Like it, the issue was so easy to solve it, but you did the hard coded there. The hard coded is not necessary. There's a very small changes. You are on the wrong file right now. So check it carefully. something is overwriting that. So check carefully that that is not you are not on the right file.
So can you point me where is the means correct path so I should edit there?
Uh, you are in the extension.html. Right code is on the catalog. So check that code, catalog.scss. In that file, you will find the code, and
Okay.
there was that file is re-overwriting that code. So because of that, it making a issue for it. So check that code once again for myself.
Okay, I will see once again and update it.
Yeah. All right. Do we have anything else, Sahil?
No, that's it.
Thanks, Monica, for providing the feedback. And next up, we have Asta. Would you like to talk about your PR?
Yeah. And yeah, sorry, I won't be able to switch on my video. There's some problem from my side.
Oh, okay.
Mm. Just a moment. Yeah, this is the PR that I'm working for. That's like the replacing the hexagon diagram with the like relevant canvas diagram. So Bhumika had suggested me some changes in the last meet, so which I have applied. Yeah, if just how many times? Yeah.
Mm.
So if there is any other, because like in Slack, Bhumika told her there is like some like small changes. So yeah, if there are any, please do them. I will do the changes.
Monica, do you have any reviews for it?
Yeah. Asta, just before 2 days, 2 or 3 days, the animation got changes. Did you review that new animation? If we like
Yeah.
merge your PR,
Yeah.
our animation will not be like holding that thing now.
I mean, this is the change one, right? The background in animation. I did see the change like when I updated the branch.
Mm-hmm.
This is the background animation. Probably like due to delay that. Yeah. This is the one, right?
Go to open the new open the main website of Canvas.
Okay. Just
Slowly scroll down. Yeah.
yeah, these ones, right? The small triangles, the behind animation. Those are the supplies, right?
Yeah. Now see what happened.
Oh, okay.
If we like to merge your PR, that animation will got high now. So you have to think about like we have to put this animation also, and if you want to put your PR, so you have to think about like how to keep both the things.
Okay, so one thing like just like one observation that I made like when I like updated my own branch like with the changes. So yeah, I mean I can only see like this animation. Okay, like the background animation is still there, like with the triangles thing. But the only thing is that as this image has been changed. So yeah, like that forming of that canvas logo that won't be there. I just thought that probably it's not really disrupting that well, but yeah, I didn't know that part of where like this animation is also needed. This one, right? Like when it comes together and forms a logo. So that's why like I kind of got confused, yeah, because like that animation behind animation is still intact with this PR as well.
For
So yeah, I
that,
mean,
issue, like that's animation is not like getting a proper fixed position, is not in a proper fixed position. So there's an issue also in the GitHub, but it will fix. You can do one thing, like after the animation will come, uh,
Hmm.
like it will a right swipe, and the video you were like want to play, that will come. I think
Oh,
it look more good.
oh, okay. Like just to be clear, so like that this animation will be intact, where like that everything comes in from this logo, and
Hmm.
after this, this GIF should. I mean, this is actually like a GIF, like image. So this should appear. Am I right?
Yeah,
That's what
yeah,
you mean.
we can do
Okay.
that. I'm not like sure, but you have to like
Mm.
align that. Like if you want, you have to like use your mind, like how to align that both the things. Or you can remove that video and create a proper another section for the, like we already have a issue for the examples of the canvas. So you can put that this video into that thing.
Okay, okay, yeah. Then I will go through the previous issues. I detailedly track those. So yeah, like I will look into that, and if like I feel that just adding these two is not like that, this one, like that relevant, I will like let you know, and I will communicate through the Slack. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Um. So yeah. I mean, I had like another issue under the same canvas.me. So yeah, I mean this part I'm like kind of this issue like I had brought up in the last like meet as well. But what I got to know is that it's not like a persistent like bug, I think, because like I did try with like another mobile phone. I mean, like just like I tried with like one handset, I tried like with another handset. This issue is not really replicating there. So I kind of felt that probably like this issue is pertinent only with probably like the low network or something that I tried. But like that happened like twice or thrice in the same handset. So like I kind of got confused. Hmm. So yeah, this is like from my side, my viewpoint. Like if anyone else also is facing it, then yeah. Or else I guess this issue might be like only due to like low network issue or something like that. I'm not sure.
Yeah, if we are not able to reproduce the issue on multiple devices, then I think we can close it. But I would suggest if we are closing the issue, so just add a note in the comment over in the on the issue that this was just reproducible on this device and we are not
Okay.
able to reproduce. That's why we are closing it. So if in future we encounter a similar issue, so we have it documented over here.
Okay, okay, yeah. I will just try with like the other probably handsets as well, just for once before closing this
Mhm.
issue. And yeah, within 1 or 2 days, I will. If it's not like reproducible, then I will close this.
Yeah, makes sense.
And also like just like a small heads up, this one like this like is one of like the system PR. The only thing is that there's nothing much like really from my side. Like it had like multiple approves. So yeah, I just wanted to tell that I think it is like ready to be
Yeah,
merged, I think.
if you go to the top of this pull request in the
Yeah.
right sidebar, you can see.
Yeah.
So this guy Fitzgerald, I believe I'm pronouncing his name right. So since until he approves this, so we can't merge this PR since he has some requested changes on it. So
Oh,
even
okay.
with the merge access, I was not able to merge the PR. So I think you could ping him on Slack, and once he approves, but yeah, the PR it looks good.
Okay, okay, yeah, then I will just tag him in the Slack itself. But
Yeah,
I guess I kind of have to search if this is the same username or not. But yeah, or else I'll just ping it in this PR itself. I'll just ping him again.
I remember the logo for it, so that's the same that you're seeing over here.
Oh, is it? Okay, okay, then fine. I'll just do it in Slack.
If I'm not wrong, it's Cooper Fitzgerald.
Yeah.
That's just Cooper
That's right.
in Slack.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I will do that. Yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you.
Thanks, Asta and Bhumika, Yash. All right, next up we have Kushum. Would you like to talk about your PR, Kushum?
Yeah, let me share the screen.
Yeah.
So last time we discussed that this animation needs to go from right to left. So I have made the change. Does it look fine to you now?
Yeah, that was the change that was being asked. The Argo CD to CI pipeline, and yeah, it's the dual workflow. Looks good to me.
Yeah.
We could also request a review on this from Matthew if he has any more thoughts on this, but that's what we wanted.
Yeah, I did tag him in the Slack channel.
Yeah, cool.
Thank you. That's all from my side.
All right. So next one is about the docs.meshi.io. So I have a quick update on the issue. So since we would be going live with switching the Hugo site, so I've seen that the responsiveness for the new Hugo docs. So some of the things are broken. So I believe if Daniel, you're working on the same thing on Meshi.io, like fixing the hamburger menu and the sidebar, I believe you could help somewhere over here in the responsive for the new Hugo docs. For example, um, if we Yeah, so as you can see over here, Daniel, if you'd like to help over this thing, so the hamburger menu is broken, and the sidebar functionality is also not working. So we need some fix for this thing.
Yes, I'm gonna be happy to help with that.
Yeah. And some of the alignment in some of the pages in small screen, they are not pretty responsive. So yeah, you could also open some of the issues. I've opened two of them related to the sidebar and the hamburger menu. But if you encounter anything else, you can just go ahead and fix that. All right, that's all from my side. And we don't have any agenda items left. So if you have any questions, we can wait a few more seconds. Else we can, I think, wrap up.
Isn't there going to be any discussion related to canvas.me? I saw in the announcement section up.
Oh yeah. Bhumika, would you like to cover this announcement or discussion?
Yeah,
It just came pop out of my mind.
yeah. in the Canvas new website, our new launch website, we have we need a help related to the mobile views. We have opened a couple of issues you can see in our repo. And Canvas repo, I'll just drop out the uh, yeah, in the comment section there is the uh, Canvas repo link. So check out the Canvas repo. There's a couple of new issues are there. And there's a one issue, yeah, this one. Uh, anyone wants to take this issue, like it's about the improving the time flow, the ending of logo animation, which I which I uh, yeah, that's the last one, that issue, that's a timing issue. So anybody wants to take this issue can take this. It is not in the correct proper place. So drop message on the GitHub. We will assign to you this issue. And in we have a couple of issues related to the mobile view, that we are not able to expand the browser section. That's a second one. Second. Yeah, this one. Not able to expand the browser section or having an awkward stand. So anybody wants to take this issue, please go for it. Feel free for dropping the message on the GitHub. And that's from my side.
Yeah. So I've also dropped the link for the Canvas site issues in the chat. Feel free to work upon it. So do we have anything else? If you have any questions.
So I wanted to ask like few questions related to canvas.new website only. So yesterday, like I asked on Slack that someone working on the demo.html that section, and Lee told okay, that no one is working. So I just reverted back it to YouTube video, like just so that it can redirect to YouTube video. But the main issue was that like when I was looking at the issues, so there is one minimal drag and drop demo page for canvas it hashtag 82. It was suggested that like you guys wanted some drag and drop kind of design.
Could you also share your screen, Ajit? That would be
Yeah.
helpful if we can grab up the context.
Can you see?
Yes, we can.
So I'm talking about this issue, minimal drag and drop canvas. About so it was a reference related to this website, which was it's like this. So it is playing a video. So are we supposed to like record a video or of this and play it, or what?
Yeah, we need a video for that. Actually, we need a the way they are telling about their product, we need the same for the canvas also. So in that video, we need you can take a one example and how you create that example, like using a drag and drop, how to comment down on that thing. So you can take all over the thing in one video, and we can put that video in our website.
So like where will be the video, like on some Cloudflare or somewhere?
Uh, no, it will be on or our main landing page only. That's a
So like,
canvas.me.
so like it would be hard coded type.
I
Because
could.
like when I was like
Mhm.
checking out this site, it is getting this from some Cloudflare, I guess. And when I asked Lee about this, he said like just revert back to YouTube. We'll see after that.
Oh,
Yeah.
um,
If that's on YouTube, you could just have an iframe kind of thing
Yeah.
over there.
So I have actually I have fixed that, and Lee merged it yesterday or in this
Mm.
morning. Yeah. So I was just asking about this PR only key. Like, are we supposed to like make any more changes or no?
Well,
which
I'm
PR?
not aware for the context of the PR.
Yeah, I am also not.
So,
Which PR are you talking about? Like which PR
Can
was my last one?
uh can you not see my like screen is not shared?
Your
yeah,
screen
yes, it
share.
is shared, but yeah.
That is the
So
issue you are showing us.
so this is like this was the issue that was there when I saw it. And
No,
while I
it's
was like just
talking
checking out the
about.
site,
Mhm.
I just saw that this thing was not actually working. So it wasn't actually redirecting to YouTube video. It was just a thumbnail and a play video.
No,
And
this
now
will
it
be that
is.
only. This
Ah,
will be.
so I yesterday I made the PR and Lee merged it where I fixed this.
Okay, that is different thing, and that issue is a very different thing.
Huh. So this would be like this issue would be or that video would be in the demo HTML file only, or it would be shown somewhere else.
Um, I like it will be what I would say. Like it should be like you should create first a video and like get some review. We will tell you like where you have to place that video. We can
So
yeah.
okay, I got it. Because it was written here, user do not have minimal interactive demo. So I thought it was for demo.html specific,
No, you
and
just
it
create the first
uh,
video for it and in the Slack drop that video related. But then we will like tell you where you have to place that video.
okay, I got it. Thanks. That's it from my side.
Thanks, Fumika. Is there any other questions that we have? Abdul Rahman, you could go ahead and ask the question. We can't hear you, Abdul Rahman, if you're speaking. All right, I think he's not around. So since we don't have any more questions, you could also ping us on the Slack channels to have other conversations. But yeah,
Um,
so we yeah,
sorry, yeah. Ronak, that's two issue that mentioned at the top. That's docs.layer.5. That Yashwardhan and Ashwini Singh. Are they
I think Ashwini is not on the call yet. So
okay?
yeah, and since they are related to assistant as well, I think Rajesh is also not on the call today. So yeah, we can discuss this on them in the next call. So yeah, all right. We'll be seeing you in the next websites meeting for the next Monday, same time, hopefully the same time. But yeah, thanks everyone for joining. Have a great week. Bye everyone.
Bye.